Going for a walk and taking notice of the things that we see is good for our bodies and our minds. You can even make art when you're walking with your family. Meet the Halls. William, Tony, and artist Harriet like making and looking at art. Here's your challenge and their top tips for taking notice and taking photos when you're out and about. It's fun to add effects after you've taken a snap, but using filters or finding reflections as you take photos can change your view and even how you feel about what's in front of you. Let's use our camera phones to take a fresh look at life and turn the everyday into art. The Hall family have been inspired by how Gaspar Gasparian used his photos to transform the rooms around him and everyday objects into intriguing art. See how the dark bottle stands out in front of the light background. Can you see how he's put a filter, the piece of ribbed glass, between his camera and the bottle? How does it change what you see? Use picnic packaging like sweet wrappers and water bottles that you can see through. Put them in front of your camera lens to change the colour and change the mood of your scene. Slow down to find the unusual in your everyday and add mystery to your photos. People love a mystery. Unusual colours, shapes and patterns make us really pay attention. If you can't find a filter, find reflections in shiny surfaces like glasses, windows and water. You'll soon find there are illusions everywhere. Blocking the light with your body or an object also blocks the reflection, making a mysterious effect. Like magic, you can see what's behind and what's in front of the camera at the same time. Use your camera to turn a see-through surface into an illusion and change your everyday picture into a puzzle. Can your friends guess where, what, or how you took your photo?